Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the air filter on a 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the air filter on a 2008 Ford Escape XLT, and procedures will be similar to the Ford Escapes from 2008 to 2012, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your filter, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open your hood. The air filter in this vehicle is on the driver's side behind the battery. Just disengage the two fasteners on the top of the housing. Then, move the inner half of the housing to the side. This should give you access to the air filter. Remove the old filter and clear the housing of any leaves and debris. Install the new air filter, making sure that the edges of the filter are seated properly along the edges of the housing. Move the inner half of the housing back into place, and be sure the tabs at the bottom are properly aligned with their slots, so the two halves of the housing will fit flush against each other. Clip the two fasteners back into place on the top two slots of the housing to secure it. And close your hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.